Then let's try it. Great. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Trader Joe's rolling, just kidding, Trader Joe's Salsa Autentica. Shake well before using and refrigerate after opening. Nutrition facts and ingredients. Doesn't say it contains anything that will be allergic to some people, and there is a scale of how spicy it is. So it's a little over halfway, so pretty spicy. But that's nothing for me. The price is $1.99. Aha! I actually did it on my own. I can't believe it. Well, this is a type of bottle I can open on my own. Daddy, can you give me a spoon or something? I need to stir this well because there's some water inside. Now I'm ready. We put a napkin under here so it doesn't roll away. And this corn chip is reviewed, linked above. So I'm gonna take a scoop-shaped one. They're all scoop-shaped, but still. Let's try this one. And we're gonna dip it and see. Since it's shaped like a bowl, the chip can hold the salsa inside. Then let's try it. Great. To me, like the spiciness, like nothing. But to you guys, well, it might be a bit spicy. Perfect. This is the best salsa I've ever tasted. Daddy, do you want to try with the chip? It's great. And there's also some pepper seeds in there, just to let you know. And now, for my turn. It's the best, right? Like the spice, the best. My mother will absolutely love it. She practically just begged to let me review it because you guys know, she absolutely loves chips. I don't know why, but I also do. So yeah, I get it why. And besides, I'm her daughter, so great. So I get why. So the gene comes down to me. So if you guys the video, hold it. Anyways, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown table. And just meet me again in other videos because I'll always be there. Bye for now.